Let's wait for another 1-2 minutes. We'll get started. There are still people joining in. So Aarti, answer to your question is we need space even uh, uh, before or after this thing. You're saying, do we need a space here? So
you're right.
Before or after, or definitely we need a space.
Okay.
I'll tell you when to remove the space once we advance to the session, and removing a space is not in a Google, but in some other portals.
Okay.
I'll tell you later when would removing the space in which scenario would help. But for now, just say that and space itself is and then pipe is a or, and then minus is a not for Google. Now, same searches if you're using in LinkedIn, then it would go something like software engineer and Java or Python. But let me just take a pause. Any doubts, any questions on and or not? Because these are very basics, and I would say the reason I'm stressing so much on the basics, trying to help you understand with the URL matches with the search and then URL. Once we give this search, how does this URL looks like in URL, whether Google is understanding it as a additional keywords or additional operator. The reason I'm trying to help you is because these basics are really required. Really, the stronger the basics, the greater the booleans we can write. So any doubt, any confusion? Dinesh, you had some confusion yesterday.
Yeah, for that minus is there now when you show that iPhone example.
We'll cover on minus, no problem. Okay. Now let's say we are giving not let's say jobs. I don't want to see some jobs. Okay. So what we started getting is all jobs only. We wanted to include jobs, but what we started getting is all jobs only. Why is this happening? Anyone here? We don't want a result which has a word jobs, but it started showing us only the result which has a word jobs. Though we have used
given the gap after the minus. After the minus, you have given the gap.
Absolutely. So this space shouldn't be there. So whenever we use minus, first of all, again, second thumb rule, whenever we use minus, whenever we exclude some of the keywords, wanted to exclude some of the keywords, then there shouldn't be any space after minus. It should be immediate, minus jobs. Now we get the results where we do not have a word jobs, though we have a job description, but we do not have a word jobs. Again, if we want to remove that job, again, minus job. So this is again a Google search feature. This you ignore it. But what you need to see is these ones. So you can exclude n number of keywords, minus job, minus jobs, minus like this JD. All right. What else will exclude? Okay, YouTube, Java full stack, you will be primarily responsible. Okay, apply company, let's say minus APPLY, apply.
Opportunity.
What are the?
No, I was saying opportunities. There are
opportunities. You see, results are fine-tuning now. So this is features. Just remove that, ignore that. Okay, now careers. Okay, let's minus careers. So that we don't want those career sites. Okay, some lot of results are coming. We don't know which results and all. So let's add an additional word here as a resume. Okay, now we got some online resumes. So this is still on a very basic level. We'll go on an advanced level. I would not take it immediately there because it will create a lot of confusion. But just stick to it how the way we are going the step by step. Otherwise, if you see, we have still some of the online resumes. May not be from India, from other locations, their own blogs, their own websites, and then they have listed the resumes. All right, so let's come back again. So excluding, we can exclude as many as keyword, but thumb rule, whenever we are using minus, that keyword has to be immediately after the minus. There shouldn't be any space. Where is the thumb rule? Thumb rule 1. Whenever we use minus, okay. So thumb rule second, whenever we use minus to exclude any keyword, there shouldn't be any minus. It has to be in continuation to minus. For example, All right, so that's a second thumb rule for not. Let's close this. All right, any other doubts, confusion, any other questions? Yes, no. Coming to and, why it has to be used as a space in Google and why not A and D? However, when we use in LinkedIn, Naukri, Monster, any of the job portals, we used to use A and D, and which is caps lock. Okay, thumb rule 1, thumb rule 2, thumb rule 3. Did we cover? Okay, thumb rule 3, while using and or not, while using and or not in LinkedIn, Naukri, Monster, Dice, Career Builder, or any of the job portals, it has to be capital letters, as these operators case sensitive. As these operators and or not. Are case sensitive. All right. Let's take this thumb rule 3 here. This looks better. All right, so that's about and or not. So now let's say same and or not when we're using in LinkedIn. Okay, so software engineer, just to give exact phrase as it is, software engineer within the double quotes, and Java or Python. And the spaces, is it require the space after this? Answer is yes. We need a space before and after and. We need a space before and after or. Is the space required before and after and or? All right. Do we need a space before and after minus? Yes, no.
No.
Before?
No.
Before?
Yes.
Before the minus, yes, sir.
Why yes, why no? So let's say now we don't give a space. We started getting the jobs. Okay, so here you see, we started getting that particular word as a job somewhere or the other. All right. So what it's trying to understand, it's basically trying to understand this Python colon job as basically what we say here also, if you see minus job. So it's trying to basically trying to understand it as a keyword, not as a operator. So if you see again, board and then that closing the bracket and then minus. Can you see this? Again here word job. So it's not trying to understand it as an operator. It's trying to understand it as just the additional keyword. But when we give a space, then it understands. So in case of minus case, space before minus is required, space after minus is not required. Or it shouldn't be actually. Okay, so let's say we'll make this as a thumbnail 5. Sorry, thumbnail 5. And same goes here, NOT, while we use in a LinkedIn, Naukri or Monster, we need a space. Okay, so this is in Google. Okay, do we need a space before or after not? Or okay, let's say do we need a space before and after minus while WH? Answer is yes and no. We need a space before minus, but not after minus. Similarly, do we need a space before and after minus? Let's say I'm not using minus, I'm using not while using in LinkedIn, Naukri, answer is yes, we need a space before and after NOT not while we're using NOT in LinkedIn Monster or Naukri or whichever the job portal. Can we use not in Google? Yes.
No, Google won't recognize it.
Can we use minus in LinkedIn Monster Naukri?
No.
No.
Okay, thumb rule 1, while using and or not in LinkedIn, Naukri, Monster, Dice, Career Builder, or any other job portal, it has to be in a capital letters, and these are and or not are case sensitive. Where is it case sensitive? Okay. Okay. Thumb rule number 2. Whenever we use or, the keyword has to be closed by brackets. All right. Thumb rule number 3. Whenever we use minus to exclude any keyword, there shouldn't be any space after minus. It has to be in continuation to minus keyword. All right. For example, here. Okay. So all right, thumb rule number 4. Do we need a space before and after minus while using it in Google? Answer is yes and no. We need a space before minus, but not after minus. Thumb rule number 5. Do we need a space before and after not while using in LinkedIn, Naukri, Monster, or any job portal? Answer is yes. Thumb rule number 6. Can we use not in Google? No. Thumb rule number 7. Can we use minus in Naukri, Monster, Dice, or any other job portal? Answer is no. Thumb rule number 8. Right. Okay. Is the space required before and after or and? Is the space required before and after or and? Yes, we need a space before and after or and. We're good on this and or not completely. Any other doubts? Any other confusion about the space? Is it required? Is it not required? If it is required, why it is required? If it is not required, why it is not required? Think through, think loud. If it is required, why it is required? If it is not required, why it is not required? We can complete the session today only on that. But trust me, that is something really most important. The better the ABC, the better the spellings we'll be able to write. My ABC was really bad. That's the reason I mess up in writing spellings.
So Google has one set of rules and the other job boards have a different set of rules.
Exactly.
Okay.
Any other doubts, confusion?
What about pipe? Can we use it in other job boards also?
Excellent question. No, let's take that also. Awesome question. Answer is
no.
No or mostly no? It's no or mostly no. We'll cover in future example why it is no or mostly no. Maybe in some cases it might work. That we might experience in GitHub or Stack Overflow sourcing, but for job portal, it's a no. I would say for job portal, for LinkedIn, Monster, Naukri, or anything, it's a no. But wherein for GitHub or something, there might be a possibility. So I'm not going to GitHub. So till now, let's stick to the basics first. So thumb rule: can we use pipe instead of or in job portals? Answer is no. Can we use space instead of and? What is can we use it's yes and no both. Why it's yes and no both, we will cover in future. But for now, take it as first no. No, but sometimes this might be the right explanation. Can we use space instead of and? In job portals. It's no, but sometime yes. We'll explore. When it is a yes, we'll see in the future. So we have a last 10 minutes left. Please relog in using the same login details. We are good on and or not about the spaces before and after, and again, a various use case on Google or on a portals. Yes, no.
Yes.
We are good, Chair.
Good.
Anyone who still is in a confusion mode, please unmute yourself and feel free to ask.
Shiva, I have a question, Shiva.
Yeah.
Okay, so Boolean operators are to be written in capital letters only, right? I mean, that's
Yes.
the underlying rule.
Yes.
But I've seen some of my colleagues, who use it in small cases and still get the results. So I
That's
am
a
just
possibility.
confused.
I know. Even I've seen
Yeah.
some of my colleagues are using only small cases
Yeah.
on Naukri, and it's still trying to give us a result. I would say,
Right.
get used to use only in caps and or not. Try in Naukri also, give and or not in space, with caps and without caps. You might experience the difference of results. Though Naukri gives a result, because it's a Naukri's job. Naukri says that, okay, fine, let me show the result. Their Boolean thing is like, okay, let's not keep it is the case sensitive, because not all the recruiters might be perfect in using Boolean. So let them show whatever. And that's reason you might see some of the good results on a first and second page. But once you go for the third, fourth page, the results, the relevancy keeps decreasing.
I see. Okay.
Did you experience that?
Yes, I mean, I've never used the small cases, but because I'm very much known to Boolean, and I love writing Boolean strings. So I've never tried, but I'll surely try it out.
Okay.
Just
but
to see the
anyone else
difference.
who experienced the relevancy of search results keeps decreasing as we go to the next pages in Naukri.
Right. We never go beyond beyond second or third page on Naukri, when there are a lot of data sets, when you get a lot of results. So maybe that's
exactly. And why it doesn't happen with Monster?
Right. Not sure.
The
I've
relevancy
not
might
used
decrease in Monster,
but
whatever the keywords, if you're using the right Boolean, all the keywords are there in the Monster, even in the last page of the last result also.
Okay.
Why is it so?
Got it.
Why not with Naukri, and why with Monster? There may not be relevancy, I would say, but whatever the keywords we have mentioned, all the keywords are there, even in the last result of the last page.
Because Monster is used by worldwide, it seems. So it follows a strong...
Monster follows the perfect Boolean logic.
Yeah.
They need A and D in caps. They don't understand A and D in small. If they understand also, they won't give the much relevant results.
Yeah, Shiv, I have a question over here. Hello?
Yeah.
Please. So, Shiv, I have seen using brackets for and as well. Suppose if you're looking for Java and Python.
We'll go there. That's for Boolean in Boolean. That's in a very advanced level.
Okay. So my question is like, you said that or it is a thumb rule that we have to use brackets. And,
Yes.
we can use or we cannot use this.
For even and also for now consider we can use or we cannot use, but in which case we have to use bracket for and is a future session.
Sure.
That's going to be a very advanced.
Got it. Thank you.
If you attend, if you go through one of the video in which we covered Boolean, it's there in a YouTube, you would understand why.
True.
When for and is required that particular bracket. But for now, for the beginners, let's keep it.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Pooja. Pooja, you have a question?
No, Shiv.
Okay. Anyone else? Any question? Please feel free to unmute yourself and ask, because these are really important. These are the basics and which are really important. Some of our senior members who has been attending these sessions from past couple of months, Sharma or anyone else, can you please let them know that why it is important to get these basics clear?
Yes, Shiv. It is very important, Shiv, because without these basics, if we go on, keep on attending without revising all these or practicing all this, the next level sessions that we're not gonna get it. While whenever Shiv tries to explain, we'll not understand because as we are weak in basics. Even I've been following Shiv classes from long time. So if I miss any session, then the next session would be a bit difficult to understand. So I suggest you not to miss session, and and be strong in basics. Learn these basics as these are all very important. Like the going sessions, all those sections are connected to these basics only. So to get the right talent, definitely to get the right approach, you should be very strong in these basics.
So thanks, Sharma. Thank you so much, because the basics are really important in this. Because later on, if you see one operator here and there, it completely messes up the results. So we will see how it messes up the result if we just one operator here and there. Now here itself, if you see, if you are just forgetting the space after minus, we started getting all irrelevant results. We wanted to exclude the job, but we actually started getting the results with all the jobs. So that's the reason I'm stressing on this basics. Yeah, Dinesh, you have a question?
No, Shiv.
All right. Anyone else? Anything else? Is it clear?
Shiv, I'm slightly confused, or maybe you need to explain it again.
Sure.
That minus sign, I remembered yesterday that iPhone as I dash phone, and then how many times we can combine and otherwise ignore it. Because means I end up doing this mistake and I don't get
keep a thumb rule in the mind. Before minus, you don't need a space. After minus, you need a, sorry, before minus, you need a space. After minus, you don't need a space. It's immediately after a keyword. Let's say if I'm doing this, minus I minus phone. All right. The reason it's giving us the results of an iPhone, because there's a lot of content, first of all. And let's see if it is excluding iPhone. If it is not excluding, what could be done? Let's wait a second. Software engineer. Okay, let's try only with this. Mobile minus I hyphen phone. Okay, phone is there, but this is not definitely iPhone. Once we open the result, that might be a smartphone or something like that. First of all, there's a lot of content related to iPhone. That's the reason we are getting these results, but these are cell phone stores. So I is not there. Either there is a I space phone, but there is no immediate I hyphen phone. In case if you're getting that also, so here there is a space I and all. So this is again a Google's feature, ignore it. Here we just have a phone, mobile phones. Phone.
So means space has to be there before minus. And
before
space
minus,
must
there has
not
to be a
be
space.
there after.
After minus, it shouldn't be. Just keep that one thing in mind. That's it. Rest other confusion will be clear.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. In case if you're still getting some of the false positive result because a lot of content on a web, just keep it in the double quote so that it strictly excludes. So here still there is a space. Here also there is a space. Here also there is a space. So let's say we want to minus I space. You can do that as well. So this is a Google feature. Just ignore that. This one also. So here, let's see, what is it here? This is Apple only. They themselves will have everything. That is due to the content actually. Or is it a paid ad? No, it's not paid. Okay, so it's a I and immediate phone. What we have done, we have excluded I hyphen phone, high space phone. Here we are getting